I've always had a little bit of something when I was even a kid. I had learning disabilities, so I was in special ed all through school. But mainly I worked for 33 years as a nurse's aide, and which I really enjoyed. I wasn't always perfect, but I got my work done every day. And then all of a sudden, just mom died, and I just couldn't hack it. My cousin always said, "You're just going through the motions, Louise, and you're not really living." I didn't tell anybody that I was feeling bad about myself. I didn't say anything to anybody for like maybe 2 or 3 years. I was just walking in a dark, dark hole. And when I first started coming here, I could actually see some light at the end of the tunnel. And each day after that, the light just kept getting brighter and brighter and brighter. And now I see the whole light. I wasn't here not even a half an hour, and I knew that this was the place for me. I couldn't ask for a better group of people. Everybody here has either gone through the same stuff that I've gone through, or at least similar. I just really love it here. I love all the people, and I know they love me, and it's not just fake. I mean, these people really care about you. There are people here that don't have much of anything, but they'd give you the shirt off their back. Chris and Missy have gone out of their way for me a number of times to help me do things. Chris, God bless her, one hot night came all the way over to my house and hooked up my air conditioner because I have asthma, and she didn't want me being home all weekend without any air conditioning. You know, they've all gone out of their way several times. My cat passed away, and Chris came over, and Chris came over to the vet with me and helped me sit with Pascal while he wasn't doing well, and I held him in my lap until he passed away. And Chris was right there for me. I don't know what I would do without them. They're like family.